Hey guys, it's Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program. And today I'd like to talk to you about beauty affiliate programs, 7 ways that you can make money. So let's get started. The beauty industry is huge and it's growing more than ever. It's now valued at over $530 billion strong. And there's no end in sight. The United States skincare products are more than 36% of the entire market. And many of these categories include makeup, toiletries, perfumes, and hair care, just to name a few. So I want to get into 7 of the best affiliate programs in the beauty niche. Now, we're going to talk about duration of cookies, specifically what the program offers, affiliate marketing tools that are provided, commission rates, very important, the application process, and the payment terms, pretty standard. So what are beauty affiliate programs? Well, there are affiliate programs in the beauty industry that you can promote and make money from. Simple as that. This can be very rewarding if you're an expert or passionate about something. In this case, it's about beauty, and beauty is huge. You're just going to see how big this industry really is. So you're going to show 7 of these programs so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. People are willing to spend money to solve their problems. You must solve their problems. Help them, and that's the goal for you to be successful. So we're going to start out with True Botanicals. True Botanicals is a company with products that are pure, potent, and proven. They use only the best ingredients, and they want to help you take care of yourself the way that you should and the way you want to. They strive to offer the best products to you and are consistently in the search of the best resources to create those products so that you're on top of all the rest and one up on your competition. That's their main goal. Their products contain no toxins. Their standards are very high. And this is an excellent program to promote. The commission rate is 15%, which is high. Cookie duration 30 days, which is normal. And I'll mention this once because with each program you're going to sign up to share a sale, apply for the account, set up your network, enter your information, and you're good to go once you get approved. And you can join their program here. Next up is 100% Pure. Now, as I say here, can you guess why it's called that? Well, it's obvious that their products are 100% pure, and they commit to offering products that are the healthiest and best anywhere. They strive to protect the environment on top of that. So all their products contain natural ingredients, and they are strict when it comes to the purity standards that they adhere to. All of their ingredients are just that, 100% pure. 100% Pure has all natural pigments, and they source the pigments from cocoa, fruit, vegetables, tea, so they avoid using any colorants or heavy metal dyes. They're very strict when it comes to animals and their welfare. Their commission rate is 8%, a little on the low side. The cookie duration is 45 days, which is good, better than 30 days. And you can join the 100% program here. Next up is a company called Lind Concept. Now, their founder is Julie Lind, and she created the beauty and skincare products that help people feel and look their absolute best. She developed a holistic approach to the care of your skin, and it really does work. She's grateful, to work and share her expertise with others. So she feels it's not just how your skin looks on the outside, but how you feel on the inside. And she has 4 pillars that she believes in, which include correct, repair, rejuvenate, and preserve. And that's her formula. So the plan is to repair past damage, then rejuvenate the skin, and finally to preserve the glow back to your skin so that it looks beautiful. Their commission rate is 20% here, which is excellent. 90-day cookies. And you can join Julie Lynn's program here. Now I want to stop and talk to you about the fact that you need a website to promote these affiliate programs. And I have just the place to do it. It's a simple 4-step formula, and you can profit from your own website, and you can click right here, get started now in promoting beauty affiliate programs or any other niche that you're interested in. Next up is Opalins Beauty. They take botanical gardens and connect them with CBD that's perfect for your skin to become healthy with a radiant glow that feels awesome. The founders believe that you should have a passion for healthy living and clean products. They perfected the formulation for the purpose of developing a full line of natural hair care products to also moisturize your skin so that you feel beautiful, confident inside and out. 90% of aging is caused by rays from the sun. So no matter how diligent you are in protecting your skin, it's crucial that your skin from the sun, so protect your skin from the sun outside. I always do that when I'm outside. So by choosing Opalins self-tanning products, it's the healthy and safest way to tan your skin without UV rays. Their commission rate is 15%, cookies 30 days. I just want to mention too that most of these programs, the banners, creatives, text links, keywords, the marketing material is basically the same on all of them. And you can join the Opalins Beauty program here. Next up is ML Delicate Beauty. They are a family-owned and operated store online. They are truly dedicated to their customers, as which every company should be. They've created skincare products that are all natural, and they can help you take care of problems such as blemishes, stretch marks, acne, and that's just to name a few. You can promote them and make a great amount of money on commissions. Okay, they're selling only the highest possible skincare and beauty products, and all for less than retail. And they're always looking for affiliate marketers to promote and sell their products. Their commission rate's a little low, it's 6%. Cookie duration is 30 days, and you can join their program here. And last but not least is City Beauty, another skincare and cosmetic company that's a luxury brand, providing amazing looking results. Women, no matter what age, love the products that make them feel young and better. You look better when you wear their products, and they provide deeper benefits than you deserve. They are based in Los Angeles, and they inspired from the glamour of Hollywood and the cosmopolitan influence from Hollywood. Each of their product line is designed with skin rejuvenating actives and collagen supporting in all specific areas that are affected, as far as dark spots and improving the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines and smoothing skin texture. So the commission rate here is 15%. The cookie duration is kind of short with this, 1 day, but you still get cookies. And you can join the City Beauty program here. So when you're searching for programs in your niche, okay, whether it's 5, 7, whatever it is, okay, there's a way that you go about it. In this particular case, I recommend ShareASale because they have a much better commission rate than, say, Amazon, because Amazon's payout structure is not great, and there are other programs too, but ShareASale is so. But what you can do is you can go to Google, type in the niche, in this case beauty, plus affiliate programs, and they'll come up. You'll see them here. I've already done 7 of what I think are the best for you. You shouldn't rush when you're doing this. This is research. Take your time doing like I did, and to help you make a better decision, make sure they have an adequate commission payout, solid testimonials about the product, customer satisfaction, very important, and extremely important is, will they help solve the problem of the prospective buyer in the niche? Do not promote inferior products. Just goes without saying. And make sure that it's solid when it comes to getting paid. Now, this is extremely important, which I mentioned before. With every program that you apply for to promote, you're going to need a website, because otherwise you'll be rejected, because they're going to ask you questions. Name me your website, what's your traffic numbers, what's your plan of promoting their products, and the reason you want to join. And you have to give a specific answer, because just giving them an answer as to because I want to promote your product is not going to cut it. They want to know why they should put their product in your hands. So there you have it. So if you want to promote the beauty niche and make money instead of just spending money on beauty products, then this is the way to do it. This is the best affiliate marketing program in the world to help you get started. It's a 4-step process. You choose your niche, which in this case we have. Then you're going to build a website, get traffic, and create income. And you can start that right here. And I, along with the owners and the large community, are right by your side to help you whenever you have a question. And that's it. I'd appreciate it if you click on the like and the share button. That's very important. And I thank you for stopping by, and have a great day.